you ever heard of Nano Banana? Banana no. It's not just a fruit, it's a powerful online trend that's helping people make real money from home. Stay with me, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can turn this little digital gem into cash online. Step 1. Nano Banana is a new micro-niche digital product that's going viral. People are creating ebooks, digital guides, and even AI-generated content around it. You can start by making simple content, blogs, YouTube shorts, or Instagram reels, explaining what Nano Banana is and why it's trending. The more curiosity you spark, the faster your content grows. Step 2. Now, here's the money part, money bag. You can sell Nano Banana digital guides on Amazon KDP. Create a course or PDF guide and sell it on Gumroad. Or launch print-on-demand products like t-shirts or mugs with Nano Banana branding. People love buying quirky trend-based items. You have about it on YouTube. Step 3. Don't forget affiliate marketing. Find platforms where Nano Banana is trending and share your affiliate links on social media. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. And if you're smart with TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you can go viral in days, but in proper way to post video. So whether it's digital guides, merch, or affiliate marketing, Nano Banana is your chance to grab an early trend and make money online. Don't wait, start today, because trends don't last forever. Comment me that you ever use Nano Banana. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Wants to know about best proven side hustles to make money online? Click on this video.